Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have everything at hand: your Betway login, the current registered phone, and the new number you want to use. Once done, open the Betway app or website and sign in. Make sure your session is secure and not on a public Wi-Fi. Next, go straight to Account or Profile. Do not navigate elsewhere. You will need to confirm identity, so have your government ID image ready. This speeds verification and prevents delays. You now move into the detailed update. Once in Personal Details, choose the phone or contact field and select Edit. Enter the new number exactly, including country code. After submitting, Betway will send an OTP to that number. Enter it promptly. If two-factor authentication is active, re-register your authenticator or SMS2FA with the new number to avoid lockout. Make sure the OTP arrives. If not, wait a minute and request a resend before trying again. Finish by confirming the change in your profile and saving. Once saved, log out and log back in to verify that notifications and password recovery use the new number. Also update any link services, payment verification, and responsible gambling contacts to reflect the change. If something goes wrong, for example, OTP never arrives or the number isn't accepted, contact Betway support immediately. Provide your account details and the ID you used. That single troubleshooting tip often clears verification blocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.